I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Start. The Shogun Start formula has been boosted with a unique ratio of boron and calcium, which have been reported by peer-reviewed journals to be key elements that drive vigorous root growth. Another element we put into Shogun Start is Smart Zen Yield Maximizer, a blend of unique compounds, carbs, and elements that have astounding effects on the growth of your crops. We added some often neglected trace elements, which are crucial at an early stage in a plant's life, while lowering the amount of NPK to the optimal suitable level for young plants. Shogun Start also contains a unique blend of humic and fulvic acids, which help with the uptake and translocation of calcium.